Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the shift key on your keyboard is not working. The first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that the physical keyboard is not damaged. Again, make sure that the physical keyboard is not damaged. Well, if the physical keyboard is good, then you need to move to the next methods. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on accessibility, that's under gaming. And simply scroll down and you'll find under interaction keyboard, click on it. Now make sure that sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys, all of these buttons are disabled or turned off. Again, turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Now once done, close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here device, manager. We also need to update our keyboard driver. So here in the device manager window, we need to locate the keyboards, this one. Right click on your keyboard, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Well, good. Simply close all these windows. Then before we are going to make a restart of our Windows, just simply follow the third method. In the Windows search bar, type control panel. Click on it under the best match. Now you need to view this by categories. If this is viewed by large icons or small icons on your Windows, just simply change to category. Then you have to click on this ease of access. Click on the ease of access center. Then look for this make the mouse easier to use. Adjust settings for the mouse or other pointing devices. Click on it. And here you'll find turn on mouse keys. Use the numeric keypad to move the mouse around the screen. If this is unchecked on your Windows, just simply check this box. Click on apply and then OK. And then close the window. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.